was hiding. Alright. Bro, I've been informed that something terrible is happening to Alberg. Hurry, go upstairs and sort it out. Please tell me Alberg's the brown sheep. Please tell me, 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 please tell me. No, it's a white sheep. I don't know which one. Okay, oh, this chef. It was me, someone else killed him. Do you believe me, Brock? Some evidence was left on here. I'll tell you, we need to find out what did it. As a cleaner, I said there are traces everywhere. What the last time was left wool strands. Okay, well, there's the one there, and Burial killed him, or I know his home. We all remember how this like kitchen will may find evidence we eat. That's the same when you find it. You say he didn't. He's okay. There, that's. But let me. Yep. So we have murder. I have a feeling I right know who did it. Anything here? So when I just picked it up, we'll say that's a yes. I did not know you can get up there. From that rock. Go. Get my sprint. Stop canceling out right when I try to make that jump. I would probably be a later place to get this. I shall remove. Suspicious box. Got it. Go around the deck. See if there's any streams there. Okay, nothing. Let me go upstairs, see if there's anything. Here. We can't go in here. Looks like it's closed down. Probably closed. Probably because it is. Thing up here. Okay, there's string right here. String right here. And right here. Nope. So the other side's locked as well. Okay, but just collect another one. Go down. Yeah, let me in. Even inside the ship, he's still lazy. Oh my. No, give me that. Okay. Just slow down. You got your whole patched up. Benju. Sin was saying, why does everyone have sand in this place? Oh. So this is where you go when you're not. The place upstairs. Excuse me. Have a birch. I know it was you. Hiding evidence. Nothing. Safe for now. Okay. Not working. Oh, placed a flower. I forgot what I was supposed to be doing. Alright, go downstairs. Anything in these barrels, anything over here. Okay. Oh, dude. Kitchen last. What was this? Kitchen key. I suppose I need that now. Locked. Hey. The barrel that was up there is missing. Nothing there. Seems like they got the whole patch doing better now. Okay, Fire. Oh, they actually know this effect. It's cool. That they use it. Like I should use this. Really? Bruh. So much more. There we go. I have a little fire spreads if you're away. No clues the exact same. Okay. Checking everything. Okay. That does seem suspicious, huh? But where is he? Don't. I should remember where his relatives. Do you hear? You. Bruh. Yeah. Don't care. Okay. We can move on now. So it seems like one piece of string that's left around. Fire the kitchen, bro. Never allowed this to happen. In fact, if you haven't been to struck class, Brown D seems to I guess I was wrong. Oh, you never stuff in deck, and then you want the wool. Okay. So there's wool somewhere around here. Um. Thing over there. Oh, this got a crowbar. Ooh, maybe we can open that package now. I'll go back when I go this way, looking around. But there it is. Piston wool traces. There we go. As I said, yeah, well, so almost everyone's strains are here except for Captain So, Alberta's, Benju's, Bears, and Burner. So the rest are under suspicion. I knew it, but who does it mean? That one. Do I go interrogate them? Nothing. Oh my god, Discord nerve. Okay, let's do this stupid number. Nothing. Nothing. You have nothing. Okay, nothing. 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 All these guys have nothing. Captain, maybe? That's all great. Like, what? You have it. Okay, on the progress. Imperative to find out who killed him. I'll only trust you, Brooke, because I know you're the always trustworthy. First, yes, I'm always trustworthy. What's the first thing? Oh, because first thing to do is ask the rest of the crew. Okay, now I can go interrogate everyone else. Oh, I didn't know. I just woken up. You looked awake when I was trotting out here. What can we do? Ah, picklock may come in handy to investigate your locked chest. If you have a paperclip, a pair of pliers, and a nail, I can make you one. I seen a good nail sticking out of the ceiling somewhere nearby. I hope you'll be able to drag it out with something. I saw that crowbar. No. I feel that's... Nope. That's different now. Still won't be anyone here. I need a key to even open it. Okay, oh, you don't have one? That's neat. You also don't have one? Oh, right here. Oh, no, I knew it. Some of us should have brought crab boards. I'm gonna kill a crab with who knew. All you need to find and get rid of them as soon as Brock maybe hiding now in some pot. Okay, he's down there in the kitchen, I'm guessing. Not dealing with it. Our has been found with a mug in here. You say I couldn't poison while cutting those promise you made drink. I was looking to make sure we're safe. I got a few here though. Some had two glasses with them. Yeah, I'll let someone else test them if possible. Okay, wait, what's that thing? Yeah, this guy had an exam. Still no quest, still killing me. Go back upstairs. Nothing. Did I just see if I'm down here? I must have. Okay, probably have to do crab first. Oh, okay. Would have thought he'll be in here. These. New tasks are available, new things have appeared, so I do have to reopen every single thing I opened before, I bet. Is a vertical thing? Nope, okay. I checked up here, I have a memory of a goldfish. Just a piston, bunch of cocktails. Anything in here? Nope, that's empty. Oh, injury. That's open now. I can go in here. Oh, the. Pfft. Okay. I was correct. No. Wrong section. What's the point? Okay, when doing well, I decided to figure out why the engine was broken when the Guardians attacked. Seeing someone did it. It was on purpose. Perhaps it was the one who killed Umber. You need to look inside and do this with a wrench. And to do this, find a wrench and screw the dispenser. A new thing has appeared. I love when new things appear after I searched everything. Inventory. Okay, I'm not gonna bother. Paperclip. Nope. Okay, moving on. I have that package. No? Okay. Oh, that's neat. What do you... Not gonna question what he has. Some pot. Oh, what thing? He said 5, right? You... I got a few here with some patchers who took 2 glasses with me. Okay, so... This is the Woolly Party. Gives me luck. Blue Random. Gives me speed. Oh, bad feeling. Poison. Bad omen. Mighty fish. Absorption 10. Enlightenment. Glowing. Okay, I still can find one more. Why do I feel enjoyable? I keep on expecting you to be it, but I don't see anything now. Says you're it. Still locked. With that, nothing here. Pliers. Plank nail. Go down the other way. Always do this. I'll see how he was hiding. Pliers. I need immediately break it. Got it. Oh, back to normal. This guy. Look, it's not hard to make people out here take it. Maybe we'll advise you. Question Nebiton next. Okay. Not carpet, not important white carpet. We'll find that other token. This chest was locked. Non-important paper. Yeah, I thought there might have been a chance the code glitched. Dude, you did that. The Jordan pin? Yep. Why didn't you put me inside the cabin? What do I under the sun? Even the lamp here isn't working. What? Yes, I can show you something. First, I need a new lamp. And whom can I borrow from? Okay, you want a lamp. No chest in here. There was a chest in here, but I believe no, there's no chest in here. Here, chest I can already access. Not important. Not important. Locked chest. Yep. Lockpick. I want to make sure I unlocked everything first. I don't know if that'll consume it. Actually, their fault. But it's broken. I need to repair it. I should have seen that coming. That's no pot. That definitely a pot. Nothing up here. I haven't been paying attention to see if I hear any quick clicks. I see something over here. Good sleep. Mining fatigue? Okay, that's bold choice. Get this task done. As you see, there's nothing dealt with. You probably should should have drunk them all. Now there are more drinks left. By the way, hope Leonard didn't drink a lot. Maybe she knows something. New thing has appeared, really? Nope. I don't see anything. Oh, don't worry, yes, I do know something, but at the moment, Florence must be safe, and there will no quality. Ah, we find then I'll tell you no. Clean water. Okay, um, I'm getting more stumped by the minute. Combine these two things. No, I can't. Okay, running out of maybe something spawned on the rock. I see something. That's your favorite. Ah, okay, that works. Clear water bottle. Thank you. Flowers can survive the rest of the trip. Of course, you want to know what I know about Albert. Not much, but here, something that I found under the bed. It's not mine. It belongs to the bad boy. They still look bad. Machete. Machete in the piston. Nope. Machete in the lamp. This is yours. You have anything still? Nope, I know you. Unless I do something later. Need to prove. I have a broken lamp. Want that? Use the way we find a crab somewhere. I just saw him like floating, you know. Life preserver. Getting difficult for my speed. Holy smokes. Let me think. Let me check what tasks I still have active. You. Some pot. Fix lamp. Did yours. Did I actually see anything on here? Okay, I'm using all my brain power to think right now. Give me machete. No, it's not help. Tasks. Where we check down here. Down here. Anything new in any of these barrels? Oh, was there? I thought there was 3 barrels. There's only 2? Okay. Need the stairs? Nope. Engine room? Captain. Nope. Oh, look at that! I totally didn't spawn the files, figure out what the lockpick was replaced with, and all that. Totally. Also, gotta be kidding me. Wasn't even working. Oh, right. Okay. Yeah, there we go. I literally just have these things. Will this have to be a two-parter? This might be a two-parter. We'll go this side again. I don't know. Same thing. Just don't open that one ever again. These are locked. Wait. This doesn't work anyway. Got it. Yeah. But what if don't spawns in there? I hate how I didn't realize these are hoppers. Oh! I didn't even think. I was like, that has to be breakable, right? Oh, okay, whose task was this? I don't remember. Nope. Crab salad. Was this a crab salad? Never mind, there was no need to worry. I found my crab. Turns out he had been locked in the chest all the time, so he's not the killer. Oh, who is then? Maybe it's... Could be... Okay. Who's Cubino? Oh, dancing guy, dancing guy, dancing guy, dancing guy, dancing guy. Dancing guy! I can hear music to come back later. New item, yep, new thing has appeared. Oh. What? The can't be on this, I've been afraid something plants when we take it away, it's not mine. Oh, the torch. Alright. Go back in here, give you the lamp. It's right there, perfect lamp's good replacement for the sun. Oh, of course, your looks been lined in the sand, it wasn't there before. Rare seed. Nothing popped up saying was thing available. So back to square one. This time with some tasks completed. Alright, I still need to find the wrench. Did I ever open this chest? I don't remember. I swear there's like an important item in these locked chests. only task left, I'm pretty sure, is the one from the guy downstairs. Nope. Let's see. Let's spawn barrels. Look it over here. Not you. You don't got anything new. Bro, just need a wrench. Have this, have this, have this, have a coin. Okay, I'm grabbing the lockpick again. Placed in this sack, I believe. Okay, I'm checking. It's locked, it's locked, of course it's locked, it won't be locked. Okay, yeah. Next episode starting with figure out what to do.